In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Moz, a powerful tool that many marketing professionals and SEO enthusiasts use to enhance their strategies. Whether you're new to Moz or just need a little guidance through the sign-up process, I'm here to help you get started smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate to the Moz website. You can do this by entering moz.com into your web browser search bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. You'll notice that Moz offers a variety of services, but for now, let's focus on getting that account set up. Next, look for the option that says Start My Free Trial. You'll typically find this option on the top of the page. Clicking here is what's going to set the wheels in motion for your Moz journey. This free trial will give you an initial taste of what Moz has to offer without any immediate costs, so it's a great way to get acquainted with the tools available. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you provide an active email address here because Moz will likely use it to send you updates and confirmations about your account. It's important that this email is one you check regularly, so you don't miss any important communications. Following the email input, the next step is to enter a password. Choose a strong password that you have not used elsewhere. This is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Remember, a strong password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Keeping track of your passwords manually or by using a password manager can be quite helpful. After entering your password, you'll see a checkbox that asks you to agree to Moz's terms and conditions. Before clicking the checkbox, take a moment to review these terms if you haven't already. Understanding what you're agreeing to is an important aspect of creating any online account. Once you've agreed to the terms, it's time to click Sign Up. By doing this, you're just moments away from being able to explore the offerings of Moz. The next step is entering your billing information. Even though you're starting with a free trial, Moz requires this information to ensure a seamless transition should you decide to continue using their services beyond the trial period. Double check that every detail is correct to avoid any future issues. If you're unsure about entering this information, know that it's a standard procedure and that Moz takes user privacy and data security seriously. And there you have it, a quick guide to setting up your Moz account. Now you're ready to dive into the features and begin utilizing Moz to boost your SEO tactics. Enjoy your trial and best of luck on your journey with Moz.